Indian companies are looking towards the Nepali market to expand their business as the post-COVID scenario continues to improve the economic conditions and increase developmental activities in the Himalayan nation. The exhibition is aimed at promoting Brand India and enhancing bilateral trade and investment by creating awareness of business opportunities available on both sides.
A three-day Enterprise India exhibition began on Wednesday in Nepal's capital Kathmandu with focus on expanding the market and improving the bilateral relations between India and Nepal. More than 50 Indian companies representing multiple sectors and coming from various parts of India exhibited their products and services at the exhibition, which also witnessed enthusiastic participation from Nepali businesses and traders. As the post-COVID scenario continues to improve the economic conditions and increase development activities in the Himalayan nation, Indian companies are looking towards the Nepali market to expand their business.
Nepali market is always very good. It's a very prompt and very promising market. And for Indian product, this market is wonderful. So there is a challenges after pandemic. But I think everybody all over the world, people are learning to come out from the challenges. So Nepali market is quite well.
The exhibition particularly aims at facilitating joint ventures, technology transfer, marketing arrangements as well as people-to-people contacts between the two countries. Indian Charity Affairs Namgye Khampa, who inaugurated the exhibition, encouraged the organizers to explore B2B partnerships with Nepali entrepreneurs in order to strengthen commercial linkages between the two countries.